Welcome today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So let's just first open the box. And this is the place for our device, and here in this paper box we just have only the USB cable and some paperwork. That's why we just can see that our device have now the charger brick inside the box, and if you want to use the charger brick you should buy it separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.